We often get asked why we use cologne instead of aftershave in our barbershops. Compared to cologne, aftershaves contain less raw perfume oil. This means the scent doesn't last as long. They normally contain soothing agents to treat the skin, you guessed it, after a shave. Colognes contain more raw perfume oil than aftershave, which helps balance the scent, but also make sure it's strong enough to carry on all day. We think a man's finishing scent should be something that stands out on its own and represents his personality and character, which is why our original and distinct fragrance collection covers the fragrance families floral, oriental, woody, and fresh. It also has deep notes of spice, as you can tell with our signature black tea and patchouli. We have lighter notes of citrus in our vetiver and Avalon. Target your sprays towards the back of your neck and wrist. Here, the cologne benefits from natural body heat, which will warm through the fragrance. You get used to your scent within 30 minutes. So a common mistake made by many guys is to assume that nobody else can smell it anymore and overload it. When it comes to finding a signature scent, always try something directly on your skin. The same fragrance will smell different on different people because of individual skin chemistry.